What's good, folks? Ruds here. I want to do a quick how-to video regarding how I lather samples. It's been noted that of late on the channel I've been reviewing quite a few samples, and some people have reached out and asked how I approach those. So I use two methods. First, I use a lathering bowl to press a sample in. So here I have a sample of sterling wintergreen. Simply, I would just take a piece of it and smash it into this bowl. Quite a hefty size sample. I do like to treat samples as, 2 or 3 time users, regardless of the size. I like to press it in very, very widely in order to get a good surface area, because from here what I'll end up doing is I'll be taking my brush and I'll be loading it as if I was loading from a soap container. I'm not trying to build my lather here in the bowl. I'm actually just trying to load the brush as if I was loading off of a soap container puck. And then I'll go directly to the face. For my lather. The second method is to take an old soap container. I peeled the label off some time ago and washed it out very well. And take your sample. In this case, it's in a different container, so I'll use one of these little scoopers here. Again, I grab a pretty hefty size sample, at least half, I'd say, of the sample. And then I'll smash it right into this for use. Again, I press it pretty, I press it out as far as I can go in order to give myself a good surface area to load the brush. So that's what it'll look like. And then, as with the as if it was a soap in a container, which it actually is, I'll just load here, again, as if I'm loading off a purchased puck of soap that's in an existing container already. And then go right into a face lather. I tend to load soap heavily, regardless of whether I'm loading a sample or my own soap in a container. I think that's the only way I'll ever get through it. But if you want to conserve your soap samples and you do have containers around, this is a great method, because you can dry it out and at the end just cap it up and move along. I tend to rinse these out and just discard what's remaining unless I intend to use it for multiple shaves in a row. Hope that was helpful to you all, and if you have any other solutions for lathering samples, please comment below. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say, and if you're not a subscriber, please become one. See ya.